Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about elements of fashion with zippers in clothing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Elements of fashion with zippers. When you think of zippers, you would automatically think fastening or closures on dresses, bags and other items made of fabric. Zippers serve a function, but in the world of fashion, it has gone beyond this very basic use. Zippers. The zipper today can be seen on the works of high-end designers who use it as a design element to their garments and not merely for fastening purposes. In terms of colors and materials, the possibilities are endless since modern zippers of today come in almost every kind of material and in every color imaginable. Metal zippers, on the other hand, come in nickel, brass, aluminum, copper and other metals, while plastic zippers and coil zippers also feature their very own unique design elements. Zippers. Elsa Schiaparelli, the first designer to popularize the zipper as a design element. Though the zipper was first patented in 1851 by the famed Alice Howe, who also happened to be the inventor of the modern sewing machine. It was strictly used for clothing and other fabric items. It wasn't until 1935 when the zipper was seen in an entirely new light. When other designers of the time concealed the zipper in dresses and garments, Elsa Schiaparelli celebrated it. In her 1935 winter collection, she placed the zipper in many different places on her pieces. Often she placed them in area that didn't need to be zipped. She regarded it as a fetish accessory and was recognized as an avant-garde approach to fashion. Zipper as a design element. In terms of styles and genres, the punk or rock and roll scene has made full use of showcasing metal zippers on their garments. You can see visible metal zippers and design elements on leather jackets, jeans and leather dresses. Replacing chains, the metal zipper can be seen on many different parts of a leather garment used to evoke a punk or grunge appeal. Zipper as a design element. In haute couture, the visible part of a zipper, such as a slider or pull, creates a unique accent to a garment. Say for example, you have a simple red dress with a visible black zipper on the back. It instantly brings a touch of color to a rather plain dress. Or some ingenious designers also use zippers to turn a long evening gown into a mini dress when a separating zipper is used to connect a piece of fabric to the garment. The beauty of symmetry. Symmetrical image can give us a harmonious, even a neat visual aesthetic impression. The teeth of zipper are continuously and evenly arranged on both sides and are combined or separated by symmetrical pulling head. Therefore, the whole zipper, including tape, teeth and slider, forms the simple beauty of symmetry. At the same time, in order to avoid the monotony brought by absolute symmetry, the puller can be designed into the special shape according to your specific needs, increasing the flexibility and vividness of the design. The beauty of lines. The change of lines is one of the important elements in fashion design, which can be used to express vivid and rich visual language of clothing. In addition to necessary seams, designers often adopt extra lines such as zippers to add a touch of glamour. Zippers are flexible in length, size, position and direction, so they can be placed in all parts of clothing, such as pocket decoration, outline, shoulder line, lapel, waistline, etc., to increase stronger visual impacts. In addition, the smooth lines of zippers can divide the garment surface into different shapes, enriching the design language. The beauty of materials. The zipper with different texture appeals to us with different charm when added to garments. For instance, the teeth of plastic zippers come in various shapes such as leaves, apples, bullets, squares and so on. The attractive shapes and bright colors make them suitable for sportswear which can add vitality and dynamic. The advantages of nylon zippers are the softness, lightweight and flexibleness fit for casual clothing and home textiles. And metal zippers have rigidity and distinctive metallic luxure which can add advanced sense to high-end shoes and bags. The days of zipper being used as a mere fastener on garments are long gone. In fashion today, the zipper has served as one of the most edgy, unique and quirky ways in which a designer adds the touch of surprise to their collections. This makes the zipper an invaluable piece for garments but also one of the best go-to elements to elevate any piece in a collection. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.